Hello my little friends and welcome to my channel. Today we learn in this video Independence Day speech. Good morning everyone and respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Devapriya. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, 15th August, we are celebrating the 78th Independence Day of our country. On 15th August 1947, India became independent from the British rule. On this day, we should remember our great freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji, Nehru and others. Independence Day is a national festival in our country. Today we are so lucky that we live in an independent country. I am very proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you. So bye bye friends. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and see you the next video. Bye bye.